We've had a lot of rain this year, and our creek that almost never flows is flowing. It's only flowed one other time in the 4 years that I've been here. And it used to be a pretty straight shot down to the culverts. And 4 years ago, it eroded a lot because the culvert was not in good condition. But this year I've been working on projects when it flows to slow and sink the water. And let me show you around. So here I started making some S-curves that increases the sinuosity, it's called, which helps slow down the speed of the water because it takes more distance to get to its destination. And here's another S-curve. And see how far the water is spreading out now. This whole zone is like a marsh. This little dam we made in class with kids, and they had they had a lot of fun making this. They were all very engaged, and they learned about what that does, how it sinks the water and helps keep the water around longer. And then this was a gully that was caused by the last big storm 4 years ago. And in a permaculture class a couple weeks ago, we filled this with brush and also made a check dam over here. So they got to learn about making rock work and check dams and sinking in water to help our water table recharge. And then just today I've been working on more of these curves and a couple of little log dams. There's a nice pool right here and another log dam, and got a little rock mulch rundown coming down to the final place where it gets to the culvert and goes under the road. And this used to be a hole without a culvert sticking up.